These days, there is a fear in collective subconsciousness of people all over the world. Not only in America, all over the world, there is a great fear on some level. That level is collective unconsciousness. No? On collective unconsciousness, there is a fear because of this corona crisis, lot of people have lost their job, and there has been very miserable death in the family. Some of the family, they were not allowed even to see their loved one on their last day when they were dying. They got just a message, email that your husband or your wife has died and we have buried them. So there have been very painful death and also big economical crisis. So there is a fear on collective unconsciousness around the world. No? Only two types of people are not disturbed or not fearful. One who are enlightened, no? And one who are very idiots. No? So because they don't care. No? Idiots also don't care. And enlightened people go beyond fear. So otherwise, there is a fear in most of the mind. Most of the mind there is fear. Fear is in the air. Thought, we get infected by thoughts. No? Like we get infected by coronavirus. No? Coronavirus, we can scientifically save ourselves from being infected by social isolation, leaving our home, but by thought pollution you cannot save yourself. It is universal, it's all over the world. There is a vibration, there is a thought of fear, anxiety, anger also. No? That has become all over the world. And you cannot save yourself. Even if you confine to your room, thought can enter, thought vibration can penetrate over the walls. It's not like coronavirus. It is thought vibration. Virus is more powerful than corona. No? It can go to anywhere. And as you have heard, the corona can be dangerous for a person whose immune system is weak. Similarly, this thought vibration or thought virus, which has become universal, can affect people more, those who have less immune system, like mentally where those who are not very strong psychologically or spiritually. No, if they are spiritually healthy, nothing can affect you. Even your own death cannot affect you. No? If you are spiritually healthy, nothing can make you sad or serious. No? But we are not that strong, so this universal collective fear comes to our mind many times. When we are unguided moment, it comes to our mind. When we are conscious, when we read Osho, we become free from it. But there are many unguided moments, unconscious moments, when you are eating, when you are talking. No? So you become receiver. No? The thought vibration are already 195 countries has been affected. More than 195 countries has affected by corona crisis. And almost every country is facing financial problem. So every country has people have a financial insecurity. Their job is insecure. People who were running airlines, travel agencies, hotels, they are in great fear. What will happen to their business? No. So, my dear friend, we share others' fear, we also share other happiness. On some other plane, collective plane, we are one. We are not divided. You can remember, we experience this very much in our commune. We are 80 plus people in the commune living. If one person becomes serious, he affects seriousness on all of us. If one person becomes negative, he spread negative virus to all of us. If one person becomes meditative, when I meditate these days, we do a lot of dancing. So when we go to Osho Samadhi, just to create a vibration of bliss for all, not only for Tapovan, for all over the world. I want to dance and be blissful so that the vibration of bliss and happiness should spread around. So when we dance this morning, when we were dancing on Kabir Bhajan, we were in so much ecstasy, so much happiness. No problem of the world was coming to our mind. We were almost, when we dance at Osho Samadhi, we almost become enlightened. Maybe it is time-bound enlightenment for half an hour or 1 hour, but we don't bother about any problem of the world. So that is a collective consciousness works. Collective superconsciousness, if one becomes meditative, that's why Bhagavan said that if we can make 1% people conscious in this world, only 1%, there are 7.8 billion people in the world. If we can make 1% people conscious, meditative, and really spiritual, not religious. We have suffered so much because of the religious people. They divide the world in Christianity, Hinduism, Buddhism, they burn the mosque, they burn the temple. So not religious, but spiritual. If 1% people in the world become spiritual and loving and meditation, they will change the whole world. The whole world will become paradise. If 1% of people radiates positive thoughts in the world, thoughts of love, compassion, respect for others, all the positivity. Fear is very gross. It is becoming more and more gross, more and more in our collective subconsciousness. So we have to create more meditative and happy vibration on collective superconsciousness. That is the antidote. That is the only remedy I know, that more and more people should be happy and out of fear. That will counterbalance that collective fear and insecurity which has become universal in collective unconsciousness. We can counter it by making more and more people happy, celebrating. That will only the remedy. That only remedy I see. Disease you can save yourself. Bacterial disease you can save yourself. Even virus disease you can save yourself by social distancing and isolation. But by thought is very difficult to save yourself. Even if you go to isolation, the thought will enter into your room. So what other people are suffering, it is they are being affected by universal fear and insecurity which has started growing every day in the world because of the corona crisis. So read Osho, celebrate, dance. My request to everybody, read jokes books, become happy. The world is a big drama. Sometimes there is a tragic show, sometimes there is a comedy, sometimes. So just enjoy the world and don't be very serious. Your being serious is not going to change this world. No. But if we become happy, certainly it will going to change the world. If millions of people become happy, If millions of people started reading Osho and doing meditation, no mind or any meditation, that will certainly help the world. Seriousness is not going to help the world. Seriousness will make this world more miserable. We have layers of fear and pain in our unconscious mind from not only of this life. Our body is new, but our mind is not new. Mind carries impression of many life. So if somebody has drawn into the water in any of life, in this life also he will be afraid of the water. I have seen people who were so afraid of even candle. When I tried to analyze their fear, they were so afraid of lamps, no light. When I tried to analyze and went into their unconscious, I find out in some of their life they have been burned into the house. So the impression is still in their mind. No? So in this life, even they are afraid of the candle, because candle can create a fire. The madness is within us, no? In our unconscious, we don't know what impression we carry. Everybody, don't make yourself available for the negative energy. We see so much negative news in television, on internet, and negativity and fear and sadness is everywhere. So if you don't save yourself, like you use mask can save you from virus, but it cannot save you from negative vibration. So use another kind of mask. Another kind of mask is tuning yourself with positive sides of things. And trust Osho, love Osho. We have to help this world. World is miserable. No? We are not miserable. We should not be miserable. We should help people to come out of this misery.